Today, we are continuing on with our Pilates bar workout series. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah and welcome. Today, we are working our arms. 5 exercises in 5 minutes. And this workout is going to complement the previous Pilates bar workouts that we've done together recently, that being the core and our lower body. And if you've not yet seen those, then please do check them out in my playlist, which I will leave in the description and in that link up there on the screen. And if you guys are enjoying these workouts where we are building stronger, better bodies so that we can live stronger, better, more independent lives, then please do remember to hit that subscribe button below. So having said that, you guys grab your bar, put on your Pilates socks, and let's work. Excellent, excellent work, you guys. High five. Remember to add this workout to your Pilates bar workout rotation, along with the other exercises that we did for our core and our lower body, so that we get a full body workout. And of course, if you are doing this particular workout independently of the others, you got more time, got more energy, then press replay and repeat it one or two more times. You guys, if you are, once again, you're enjoying this series where again, we are building stronger, better bodies so that when we continue to age, we will continue to thrive and live independent, active, healthy lives. And please do remember to subscribe to this channel, because this is what we're all about here, okay? Making this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives. And remember, exercise is only one part of the equation. Remember to continue to stay hydrated throughout the day and also eat nutrient-rich, high-protein, whole foods as well. If you need some suggestions, please do check out my description. I've got some links to some recipes that are healthy, simple, delicious, and oh so easy. You guys, remember what I always say here, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Thank you all for joining us, and I will see you right here real soon.